Like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Shop Boss TV Production.
Go on, my wonderful viewers. Hear me, as people. My brethren send me a video where I make of himself. Yeah, man. It's massive people. That boy is a heavy drinker. This man say the man drink up in beer enough and drink up in rum enough too. This man say. But anyway, people, DNG coming with a new beer. You see me, say people? Right? And you know the original beer, the same price to the original beer. This man say is the same price for the new beer. But people, the new beer holding less on the original beer. People, take a look and take a listen. Yeah, man, me people.
Alright, DNG come out with this thing here. New red stripe, same price. Show you them people are wicked. I full this of water. Watch how them wicked, you know. Nothing in there. See there? Alright. You want to pull it more down here, go. Alright. So the original buckle. And this. Sit up by the top there. Alright. We are going to full up this now. You are full, you know. Show you all the people and big wicked and lie, you know. Watch what I go on. Full buckle, you know. Now tell me say them thing and wickedness and robbery. Have a company. Them fi explain this, you know. How can you sell me a product? Sell me a product for the same price and a less content. Eh? Who want them explain this to me? That one them explain. Same buckle. See there? A little bit spill over. So how that work? See there? Again. Wrap them or wrap the drink, them, you know. Let's look at this. One DNG explain this and tell me. Yeah, man. Want this to explain. Tell me, say I remember this.